Hello everybody, I'm Jay's Beats, and in this video we'll be talking about how to use slides in FL Studio. So this is will be a basic video on how to use slides in FL Studio. So yeah, without wasting any of your time, we can begin the video. So in this video I'm going to give an example of how to use slides on 808s and uh, stock plugins. So in FL Studio you can only use slides on samples and the stock plugins. No third-party plugins can work with the slides. I've tried that a million times and yeah, it just doesn't work. So I'm going to come up with a melody and so yeah, I'm looking for a long 808 as you can see in the so I'm looking for something long. This one is okay. Uh, so if you do not know how to use the 808, I have a tutorial on how to use the 808. So I will suggest you check out that video. But yeah, you can still do the same thing, still work. So okay. Okay, so we have a simple pattern of the 808 and how to use the slides. You can either come here, click that, and you have a slide. So how to know that it's a slide? You are going to see a mini triangle at the end, and you know that it's a slide. So let me give you an example of how to do this. Yeah, so the longer the slide, that's how much it would take to actually slide. So if this is short, so if you want the slide effect to end, then it has to be at the same level, the this and this. So yeah, so if you want that end effect of the slide, then okay, so that's how you use the slide. And another different way of how to bring up the slide is you can get a sample like this in the piano roll, double click and click on slide. Simple as that, and then accept. Don't change anything unless you need to, but yeah, so you can even change the color of the slide, pink, but for this video we're going to stick with the actual color set. Okay, so let's try to it gives the listener something new and interesting, something unexpected. So yeah, so that's how you use 808 slides. That's how you activate 808 slides. Simple, right? Yeah, very simple. So we're going to use the slides now on a stock plugin. So I will come up with a quick melody, and yeah, I'll show you how to do it. Okay, say trust. So you can change back just by accept. Okay, so this is a quick sample that I've come up with. Quick sample. So I'm gonna pitch it down to 2 octaves. Oh, sorry. I'll pitch it down to G hash 4. That sounds really cool. Okay. actually create different patterns and just remove the slides. So yeah, so that's how you use slides in FL Studio. So this is a beginner video, but I will do an advanced video on how to properly show you how to use 808s, how to use slides on 808s, and how to use slides on uh, melodies, the bass, and samples in future videos. But today, this was just a beginner video on how to use slides, and I hope you've got an insight of how to use slides and how easy it is to use slides, and the importance of using slides in songs to make your song sound interesting and not boring. It brings something new to the listener, unexpected. So you always have to keep the listener thinking about, oh, what's next? What's going to happen next? If you like this video, please hit that like button, smash that subscribe, and you can leave a comment down below if you want more tips, or if you just want to give some advice on how to use slides. So yeah, thank you guys. I'll see you in the next one.